Yo, 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 what it do? 9:27. Let's get right, man. Let's get right, chat. Getting this move down here off the jump here. I was looking at that overnight. Kind of been bearish since about 3:15 here.
Yes, D Money will be up later on today. Everybody asking. Keep on asking. He'll never be on again. So, hey, you do you, baby. Keep playing with fire. Get hurt. NASDAQ off the open.
So right now, man, just waiting and watching, man. Market opens in 2 minutes. I got the daily marked out. We're still inside yesterday's daily candle, so I just marked that out just to make sure that we got that marked. Um, just to so we won't get really chopped up crazy today. Just to kind of make sure we remember that we're still inside the daily candle, so we could just have chop. So
My stops are pretty station. I use 10-point stops. It protects my.
so so yeah, just waiting and watching right now, chat. Like I said, interested to see how we get this move up here at open. Got about 30 seconds left. I'm interested to see if we get a move up to like 166 and then reject off there off open. So we can't really, hold on, stay above the 5-minute EMA here for a minute now. So let's see. Market out. One 62, 52. See how this candle closes here on the 1 minute here. We did reject, right? But I'm trying to make sure we stay. Is that? Yeah, let me see how this looks, cause
You typically trade like the 9:30 candle? Yeah. I trade off my phone, so this is the first time I've actually used the desktop trade. Wait, like charting?
couldn't hold below there on the 1 minute. So we're gonna give it time here. Rising up. So good.
It's fast. I mean, what more do you need? Like 2 months, find something. Yeah. You know what I mean? I don't mind the app at all for the.
Oh man. Yeah.
Order filled.
There we go. From the 35. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. WD buddy. Like the chat now, like they just like whenever I get a trade, you're like fucking D buddy, that's your new thing. Yeah, if D buddy gets 3 points, they're all like, man, he's fucking Warren Buffett. He's fucking Warren Buffett. You're the mini. He's the micro. He needs 3. You need 30. said, kind of playing into exactly what Cal was talking about, right? We kept getting rejected up there at that 160, 170 level. Once that candle here basically put in that big wick, have that body being bearish, grab the short there at 35s, kind of targeting down there. And the only problem is NVIDIA's going straight up. I look at NVIDIA, and I'm like, if NVIDIA's going straight for me, it's hard for short, man. You guys look at stocks when you're trading? I look at NVIDIA. Yeah, sometimes Microsoft depends.
What I
You look at NVIDIA, right?
Yeah, so what I have is like on the side on my watch list. I'll put
Trying to see here.
right side. Okay, but like I'll see, I'll just have a mental reference. All right, this one's green up 1%. If I see it start to go down like 0.5%, let me switch to that and see like is it gonna break below a day.
Yeah.
We know if like Nvidia.
Order filled.
All right. I just got out right there, getting some wicks down here at the bottom.
Today's a day where I definitely.
And like I said, it's the first 3 minutes, so ain't no point of kind of trying to
Off Tesla.
hold it if you're not confident. There it goes.
Hell yeah, brother.
You don't even look. Like, well, I don't even know what NVIDIA is. You're talking about.
Again,
Candles, bro.
I think today's tough because like you look at Meta, it's up 9%. You look at Microsoft, it's dumping even more. It's down 10% now. So like you can see NQ's relatively, flat. I mean it's down a little bit now, but like pre-market relatively flat for post earnings.
Yeah.
And
Well,
it's
Cal,
up.
Callie, you were interested in this level down here now. Yes. So at what point are you looking for a long there? Is there not a long?
Well, it's funny in the hood that and like that chat. It's funny in the hood like that. I did like that. Like we held this level right here. Like I said, really haven't broke through all morning. It just gave the double wick, so it kind of fucked me up with the double wick, but it's all good though. Good call. Now we just waiting for the next setup here. See if we break this low. Looks like we want that low there. Yep, 73. That's gone.
I got some. Sir.
Oh God. But I mean that's why you run tempo stocks, right? Yeah.
You can always re-enter.
Mm. Mm. Hey man, gotta hold it. Gotta hold it.
So you see this? Wait, so it updates in real time?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh, that's
I didn't draw a golden pocket on my phone.
That's funny. Yeah, so I mean, you're looking for that 786. That's usually where you want to see it.
I don't know.
Playing off that. I don't know what that candle was. 4 p.m. Oh, that's
Look like we're going here.
yeah, and Meta's pulling back. Microsoft, Tesla dump.
Damn. That was nice. That was nice. Good call though. Good call. Good call. Definitely ain't think it was gonna look like this. So see if we probably getting some resistance down here at this daily low. I could imagine, unless we break out.
It's like yesterday's pre-market. I mean, dude, this is the thing. Until you see at least like a minute or two, it's tough to just.
Well, at this point, just lose some quick. 3. Straight down.
been the high of this range for a bit. Daily. Switch back to the daily and see what we're hitting that 26K. It's funny because we mooned basically for 6 months straight. The past 2 months has been 1,000.
I get a pop back up.
It's crazy to say 1,000 points is small.
Well, that was a move. Just waiting on the next one. Like I said, we probably gonna get some resistance down here. Doesn't really mean that it's gonna hold. I'm just thinking that we definitely should get a pop.
Those whole numbers, especially the 1,000 ones, typically not.
Stop is at the 17s. My last position there with the 9s. Trying to see if we can get some pushback up there. We might not get it.
No, I don't think we're getting it like that.
No, it's not. I don't know why that.
All right. So that yesterday's that earnings flow is pretty much got that one.
Charge this 66 level here. 2065, 66 level. Let's watch that area, see if we can get some rejection there. What we do there. 86 is another one, just ever so slightly above that, but we'll see what's going on here.
But if they hang one up here,
Traded by Pickett.
you're gonna have to move it to Seattle to fight it. The opposite end of it. Yeah. Private top. Flat helicopter.
All right, so yeah, big move down. Did exactly kind of what Ocala was talking about at open. Swipe kind of up into the 60, 70 level. And then right now it's on a free fall. Free fall is
Had to pull it back 3%. So Tesla green to red.
So-
on the 1 minute chart. We lose this low. Needs pain to the downside. Just run those stops. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna be giving them.
They got freebies.
Trying to be patient here. We're down at the 26s. I'm trying to see, do we get up to the 56s? We're dropping.
I got giveaways too. I mean, shit. You got
giveaways.
Now it's at the 50s. It's dropping swiftly.
Oh, now all right, I'm trying to short here. Stop is above this line of these candles. Finish the beam. Let's go. There's 14 points, Chad. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
15-minute candle here closes in about 4 minutes. Next 15 is going to definitely be telling.
What's the most popular account you guys have? This year? I mean, the 50K is just, I think, for ROI wise, like for most traders, pretty good, right? You can get plenty of payouts.
And the
It's
price
not
point.
insanely expensive up front, you know, like it's a good place to start. Like if you're a new trader, there's no reason to go and buy the most expensive account. Start out small, you know, slowly kind of size up. That's it. It's not a race.
We're tweaking the new one. There's gonna be a new plan.
Oh yeah, you're talking about that
weeks.
for even maybe I don't want to give away the secret. There you go, Chad. It's www. D-Money who? D-Money who?
Yeah, we're looking at an account for like beginners, so we don't have like a entry level price one, you know, around that $50 or so price point. So we're looking for that. Probably gonna actually be an additional one maybe. So for instance, we already have 5.
Yeah.
Still. So little tidbit there, but it's just gonna be kind of like that intro account. It's more like when you get new people in the door, probably their first best one to do.
Oh, they're like those traders. What are they looking for? They just want to like they want to start learning. They're not worried about payout. Oh, what's the payout? People aren't like they don't really care what the payout is. It's kind of like it was still upfront costs.
Right.
Get it up. People are not like read the rules. You go, man, it's got a $50 payout. They buy this.
Right.
What's kind of the easiest to get done?
Right. Even new people.
So yeah, man, just waiting and watching here, man. Waiting and watching. Just think we're getting this move down. 15-minute candle here. It closes in a minute. We missed our initial, well, we caught a couple on this move down, but I wish we would have just stayed in, to be honest. That would have been obviously looking back way easier to do. But we were in off this EMA touch. We were in, chat. So I don't know. I gotta add that to my shit, man. That hold. Now that hold is crazy. But yeah, right now, chat, just waiting and watching. 15-minute candle here about to close, so that's what I'm waiting on. Obviously, I didn't think it was gonna look like this. I mean, yo, 175 in this candle here. 175. So we got the break off the bag, which necessarily ain't really necessarily the best information. Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. But we're definitely falling here crazy, chat.
All right, so we broke the 15-minute range to the downside. Is there a reversal setting up here? Right? I mean,
Yeah, because why would we break like that?
that's a big hourly candle straight down right now.
Yeah, hourly closes in another 15 minutes. But honestly, just waiting and watching, see if we get a nice little setup. We need a nice little pullback. I mean, we haven't really got anything but this on the 1 minute. And that's, I mean, if you get in right there, you're good. But I mean, how do you get in right there? I really would want like a pullback to like this 985 area, like this area we just broke out. I would really like to get about there, to be honest. But we're just dropping. We're just dropping right here. So just gotta wait. Just gotta wait till our setup appears, man. We gotta get a pull. And yeah, chat. Yeah, chat. I mean, and it's crazy. It's just so crazy how this shit be working, bro. Like when the times where you do hold and the times where you don't really hold them, that shit is crazy, honestly.
It's like even if I want to get short, like I need some kind of pushback. Okay, like if I get short down here, it's gonna spike that.
Oh yeah, I mean we just drop it, man. Hopefully we get some here. Getting a wick right there on a 15-minute candle. Definitely we just broke out that daily candle low. So we at least got to get a little bit of pullback, right? At least to that yesterday's low, right? Right.
Oh, baby boy. It is $10,000. Snap. It's $10,000. Hey, D-Money, is that good? He's in there in the quiet.
And
There's that snap.
That was a snapper.
We talk about this a lot too, right? It's like the last 10, 15 minutes is notorious.
So what do we do right here at this area here? So I mean, we kind of like just bounce right back up to this area pretty fast. I was kind of waiting for some rejection right there. But now, you know, we're kind of back in that range again. Wicking off that bottom. So I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm not long yet. I just think we're getting a bounce here. So we gotta be patient. Gotta be patient, chat. Gotta be patient, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, you can't let the FOMO get to you. Just gotta wait on your setup. And I'm mad because when I was in my setup, I didn't even hold to TP. I just was scared. So shit, when you get scared, you don't make no bread. That's just what it is. So yeah, like I said, we're back in this range now. And I'm trying to see, man. I'm trying to see oh, this is what I'm looking for right here. Like, do we get some rejection here? Do we get some rejection here? I have to.
Order filled.
I might have to get in that. Have my stop at the top of that candle. I think we supposed. I just felt like we were supposed to get some rejection here. I'm not even gonna lie. But do we hold? I don't know. Aiming for like 45s here. Can we get a 45 touch? My stop. Oh man, we're about to get wicked out. LOL. So yeah, I mean, obviously, if we give this candle back, probably invalidates my entry there. So let's see how that goes. See how that goes. Man, from right here, if you can see my stop. Okay, we're under the 40. I'm gonna move my stop down to that low now, and I'm gonna try to take out this candle here. But I don't want to give this candle back on a lower high wick, you know. Not a low. I don't want a lower high, so I'm gonna move my stop down just to, like, you know, scare some profits and shit like that. 'Cause I wanted 47s and we're at 41 already. So back above 47, pretty much we're getting out for a little bit of profit. If not, we're going to try to take this down to 212, that low right there. Why not? I mean, 912, I'm sorry. Let's see. Like I said, I'm watching that 45 level. That's kind of like my TP. Like, I want to go now. I don't really want to pulley.
But yeah, I mean, look, I was gonna talk about it before. The scene's been
41, we're at 43, 44, 45. Like I said, I'm just watching that level. I don't want no wick back here. I don't want no lower high in this area.
Consistency. And honestly, if people are taking daily payouts, moving themselves to be better.
29, 31. Trying to go to 12 here. Can we get it? Trying to go to 12 here. That was 24. Oh, 22. Let's
Order
get it.
filled.
Butte. That's one. See, that's what I'm saying. You got to be patient for your shit. Once you be patient for your shit, you're going to be okay. Just wait on your shit. Wait on your shit. You're going to be all right. All right. So let's look around here. We're out of that one. So let's go back over here. Look at my main chart. 5 minute, like I said, we got a rejection off this level, which, I mean, how do we not? No, I'm playing. We definitely didn't have to. But like I said, that was the daily range. So I was thinking if we was to get some rejection right there at the daily, it would probably be in the area. We got a wick. And we attack. So now we're out of this daily range here. And this is my other little range I have. We've been in this range. We just broke out of this range recently, but now we're coming back to it. So let me get these off because I don't like having too much shit on my chart. That was just for the daily candle. Just to, because I didn't want to get chopped up in the daily candle. So I had to make sure that, okay, if we get out the range, we like start heading towards the bottom or something, then we can do something. But I didn't want to be messing with it all in the middle. So I marked that. But for the most part, look, we got this double top on the NASDAQ. And now we're trying to like get back. I don't know if like what we're going to do with this. Like I'm tired of being in this. We've been in this since like November when we made this low. November 4th. Like, damn. I'm tired of trading in this shit. So let's see. We got that 15-minute break right there, but no follow through. No follow through. Right now. 4 minutes left on that candle. The hourly candle closes in 4 minutes as well. So probably going to just wait, chill here, see how this wants to open up. Do we get a push back up and then a bigger move down here? Or do we kind of move off from right here? Could very well move off right here too. We could go down from right here. I'm not lying. And we could go 904 fast as hell, to be honest. I'm looking at this 5-minute chart though, like damn. Like, are we trying to base out here? We got 2 wicks on the 5-minute candle at the bottom. Doesn't really mean anything. I'm just saying could mean something. So, yep, look at that. We're trying to do something. Do we wick it? I don't know. I don't think we're wicking this shit. Could be gone. Yep. That was a nice another little setup there. I'm not even gonna lie. how we pretty much got resistance right here off the low of these candles here. Couldn't break back above the 950 area. That would have been nice. Nice little 40 points right there. Damn. But I'm being patient though. I'm being patient because I'm waiting on this hourly to close. I mean, we caught the move that we was going to catch off of it. So you really can't. That was just another move. That was another move. But it's kind of like, it wasn't it wasn't like the setup like the first one we took. It wasn't like this setup. It's more like I say, like, if it was a grading, I say probably like a B plus maybe. What's up, baby? Your watch? Mm. Mm. Mm.
But it's crazy because I didn't charge it yesterday, so I took it off the phone.
So yeah, man. What is it? A minute left? We're getting a drop. We got the drop. We got the follow through there. Damn. That would have been nice. But it's all good. You can't catch them all. You literally can't. You literally can't. You literally can't. If you try, you're gonna be dead. You're never gonna make it. I do like that it kind of worked for, like, as far as setup purposes, but shit, man, you can't catch them all, man. Same goddamn what is that? That's Pokemon, right? I'm tweaking. Been a minute. Damn. Got a drop. Damn. This 15-minute candle look way different now. That's how it's crazy like this in the hood, dog. What is that? That junk was just an indecision like last time I looked at it. That's why I low key I need, like, I don't know what it is. I need like 6 goddamn computers or something, because you need all time frames. You need different goddamn stocks. All type of shit. Holy moly, donut shop. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock now. The hourly just goes right down. Like, this shit crazy, man. This is crazy, bro. Like, why? Damn, where are we going with this? Damn. But see, this is what's scary about this though. This be getting a wick when there's no top wick. But see, this don't have no top wick either, and that bitch is gonzo. 330 points. So yeah, never mind what I said about the fucking top wick. But this don't got a top wick. This don't, which obviously don't mean shit, because this one don't either. But I do think we supposed to be getting something. I mean, at least to the 5. Yo. But the thing is, another thing I realized when it moves like this, Jesus Christ. Like, the hindsight be looking so much different, I swear. Like, the hindsight is so much different. I've been in this trade. I've been in this drop 2 separate times. And I'm still like, wow, this shit is crazy. I got it at the beginning, which was kind of risky. I'm not even gonna lie. That was a little risky. But this one was not risky. But look at that shit. Like, how, like, what? Like, what was that? Maybe I could have had my, no, that was my VP, low key. Nothing I can really do right there, chat, to really stay in that one. I'm not gonna lie. Because I did have it at that. I had it at the 12. That was where I got out at. 912. So I got out at this low. What other low am I aiming for? Maybe this? Like, what low am I aiming for on a higher time frame? I aim for that low. This low, shit, that's a whole nother shit. Shit, chat. Damn. But the key is now is no FOMO. We caught our shit. We caught our trade. We can't have no FOMO. We just gotta wait on the next one. It's inevitable that it will be another setup. Like that's the only thing that's true. Now, what it looked like and when it come, nobody knows. Nobody knows when that is. But I could tell you one thing that is for certain. This is not sustainable.
It's crazy.
Can't find him? Try to ping. Oh, you can't ping that John either. I think you can ping that John. Try to ping that John on your Oh, I don't know if it's that. Yo. Yo, what happened? Who died? Yo, imagine if we give this whole range back, like, because we took the the top side. Now we just just go all the way through the. Because I don't get why we didn't make new highs, right? Okay, just thinking from a long-term perspective. Like we was in this range for fucking 2 months, 3 months almost. And we finally break out the range. Hold on, what day was this? Monday the 26th. This is Wednesday the 28th. In 2 days, now we're back down in this shit. Like you can't think we're about to go up, right? Like for example, get a nice little retracement here. Like this is not no. I think that is not good that we made that double top. Long term. Look at this daily. Look at this. Boom. Engulf. Boom. Boom. Yeah, chat. That's not good. So, yep, just watching, going through the frames here, going through the time frames, the frames. And yeah, chat.
All right, what do you guys want? You want to do some giveaways? What do you gotta sign up on only prop firms.
Like, we gotta get something. We can't even trade it until we get something. That's the whole thing. Like, we can't trade this. You can't buy here. I mean, you can't sell here, I guess. Guess you can do whatever you want, but you definitely don't want to be buying here. That would be, you'd think you Warren Buffett. That's the only time you buying here because you think you can call some type of low. Like, I can't buy here. I can't buy or sell here. So, why be angry? You trying to go to the gym first? Man, hurry up.
I was thinking we could actually go to the DB tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
I was trying to go to the gym, but I can't find my fucking anymore. And it's saying that the last time they even pinned was like 18 hours ago.
Yeah.
I remember it.
Yeah, I guess I do need to go because I didn't go yesterday. I'm sorry as fuck, so I have to keep going.
And I know one of my weaknesses is I suck ass at shallow pullbacks. Like if it's a shallow pullback, like not really that much of, not that much of a pullback, I suck at trading that shit. I like a good healthy. I like a good pullback. A good drop and pop. This shit is just shallow, which is fine. I mean, whatever. But I just suck at trading it. That's why I'm trying to. I'm trying to sharpen that tool. Yeah. But it's been like 30 minutes we've been dropping, so I'm kind of like, what are we gonna do? Um,
You don't look at the daily.
Damn.
You see like
Damn. Damn.
how many days back can you go? Like for instance, when you're looking at
So I'm getting a small wick here on the 15-minute candle. Just the smallest wick possible on the 15 here.
You don't care how could you? We don't care about guys in the morning. You know, you do have a general overview, but it's been 2 days. It's maybe an hour to 3 hours. So that first level we talked about, Patrick, on 93 on 93, you were that first. I mean, you called. You were like, hey, I'm looking for a short. We do this. That if you had been short from your origination, yeah. So at what point do you? What setup makes you just going for like a 24? I don't look at it. Look at it that way. As far as setup goes.
Yo, what are we? Like I'm saying, I just don't even know like a target. And it's kind of hard to get in if you don't know a target. Like if you're not confident with getting to that target, you're not gonna even hold it. Unless it just goes exactly there. Like to wherever you thought it was like maybe even going. But it's kind of like even when it gets there, do you even close out? Or you get wicked all the way back up in some more shit. So it's kind of like ain't shit you could do sometimes, chat. Andy. Whoa. 820. 750. About 70 points. But all I'm saying, like I said, where is that? I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, getting a push here on the 15, getting a wick at the bottom of this 15 here. So I'm trying to see how that closes on that. I got that on the other chart there. So I got the 5 pulled up right here. I'm just trying to see if we're gonna start moving up to these EMAs here, and then
big on the day, and you're just sitting in the chart. Sometimes you're just gonna take a morning trade. Let's say you have a big day.
moving up here, kinda, not really.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that. I took that at the 811s here. We're aiming for 752. So pretty much with this, we just want to stay below 803.
A lot of times I'll look at my P&L on those days where it's like I made 10,000 before 10 o'clock, and then I trade all day. And I look at my P&L, I'm like, fuck, I'm still
Yeah.
I could have just walked away and not done all the commissions, not waste my fucking time and energy.
I've watched like a couple of our coaches when they do like those lessons for traders and stuff.
769. Going for the 48s here. Are we? What's this low? 53. 5 points off the low. We'll see.
Finish a big day, right? Closing down the charts, right? Those are going to be the ways that you stay ahead. Again, anybody can hit some home runs, but you're striking out 10 times in a row, get off the team from there.
60s.
In this case, lose the account.
We gotta just like get a fatty.
Order
A
filled.
fatty! Get a fucking fatty! Good shit, yo. Still making new lows, brother. Golly. Okay, I like that kind of. That was a. Okay, even this setup was a little bit better. It was a little bit better because this one was a fake out. This one was a fake out. This was the lower high setup, thinking we're about to go up. I've seen this shit too many times, chat. I've seen it too many times. I've seen it too many times. So, yeah, that jump went down to the 32s there. Actually, even further down to the 30s there. Got out at 48, but it's all good. Got to take your trade. Got to take your trade. But yeah, we end up getting a nice 5-minute candle there. I'm not even gonna lie. A nice little 50-point banger. Bang, bang, McGwang.
Let me say this. Now, when you're hot, there's a difference. There's regular trading and you're feeling good and you made your money, and then when you're hot, you're on fire and every trade is working and you're going and you're just smashing it with size. But you know that's a very rare occurrence. You know, if you're in the market long enough, you can't be right all the time, every time. And once you're trading,
So yeah, back to waiting and watching, man. It's real boring, honestly, when you got some when you waiting on some shit. I ain't lying. It's boring. Now we're just waiting on the next setup, which I don't even know what it's gonna look like. That's the thing. Like you're waiting on something, you don't even know exactly what you're waiting on. You're just waiting for a setup. A setup could, once you get in, once you get in for a couple years, your setup is the same setup, but it just has like 1,000 different looks. Like they can set it up a couple ways. They can set you up a couple ways to make you think some that ain't there.
I'd say like also don't just look at it like, you know, I have to do this each day or smash it. Like if your goal is to you have a $300 day, that's still a win, right? For sure. Especially if you're copy trading, whatever the case may be. So
I think we should be getting something here now. The follow throughs on the low are getting, which again, a lot of this shit don't really be me at the same time. It's crazy because it means some, but it don't really mean nothing either. Like I guess, like we're definitely like the it's getting like the follow through is getting shorter on the back end for sure. Like we was followed, like when we broke out this first time, we followed through. This second time, follow through. This third time, not that much. It followed through. It broke the low and got you a nice little close, but it didn't. The secondary, I guess, candle didn't do the thing as of yet. It hasn't done it as of yet. Now, like I say, it means something to mean none. So fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it.
What the hell? It's not my fault. I'm like, well, if you're in the real market, it might have even been more. Like, you never know. So, it's a tough thing. If you don't want to condition yourself to always do that, be wary around those levels, size down close to it. I understand if you're using it, but I wouldn't be slamming 15 maximum size contracts when you're close to that's just not.
Shout out Pat, bro.
TP right there, 75.
That's Brett with his little box getting violated.
It was a good one.
Maybe the money. All right, so explain that. What were you?
Yeah. So am I? Yeah. So you see this? Are we on mine?
Well, you see.
Okay. Yeah. Just look on the left. Just go to the 22nd. Just go to the end of the box. Those previous highs were resistance.
Yeah.
We broke through those, right? Going into these earnings.
Resistance turning into support.
There. Exactly. SR flip. And. But again, I don't think that wasn't a golden one for me. Like in the sense of like I actually wouldn't like pay as much attention to the golden box.
So are we getting that pulley we was talking about?
This is a strong one though, because again it's 3 days. So this is one where I'd hold it a little bit longer, which is why I'd look for like that 30-40 points rather than quicker little spell.
And it was off the 20 level too. Let's go. All right, little Simba box action.
Bitcoin down. Bitcoin's down 4% too today.
What?
Well, I think the Bitcoin you can trade the same. Yeah,
roughly. Yeah.
Based on the next.
Also, a lot of the tech companies they put millions in Bitcoin too, right? Or a couple hundred million. So
silver absolutely getting crushed.
It has an effect on their balance sheet.
Bro.
In 20 minutes.
Y'all boys all right? Oh, and I wonder NASDAQ look how it fucking look. This looked the exact same. I thought I was on the same chart. Damn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We might be gone, chat. This don't look good at all. That's the weekly. It's a nasty weekly. The push up, the reversal back. Whoa, what was that? Is that the week? Oh shit. Okay then. So yeah, I think we're getting it now. Be careful down here. Be careful down here.
Reversals back down or continuations, you'll get bear flex. Right? Yeah, like this for me now. If I want to get short, I'd want to see like a 15-minute range retest. Like, it might not happen for me.
You said 15-minute range retest. Let's see. 15-minute? Shit. 950? Shit. That's far.
Like a wick high to like 873, a rejection, and kind of build out like an H pattern. So you have this low, a high, and then it kind of ages like this into lows. Yeah, and that 873 is pretty much like that's the high of that last 10-minute candle. Also the low.
Shout out PW, man.
Exactly. So I call those cross sections.
Yeah.
So where you have, where sellers pushed back, they pushed aggressively on the next one. I call that a cross section. It's usually a good retest zone of to get back into.
Oh, you straight? Are you straight? You about to go to the gym?
Well, for anybody in the chat who don't know, we got Ocala in the house today. $2 million
You good?
worth of money payout. You see him on Twitter. It's a big payout. He's been banned from some of the top offers.
Yeah, you straight?
Shout out Apex.
We got it.
So yeah, just Waiting and watching here. Do we get a move up to the 5 EMA here? These are the first 2 green candles we had in a row all day. So, on the 5 minute at least. Love you. So, hell yeah. Oof, I'm not bullish at all. I have zero bullish in me. And that could be bad. That's you. When it get like that, I guess it's time to be bullish. When you ain't got no more bullish in you, it's time to buy. That means it's going up for the rest of the day.
If chat wants to do a rapid fire, any questions, guys? On the whole space, creatify anything. Who's Marcus gonna go next? Hey. I mean, I would just be raising the stop. Like,
That fucking hard. Damn. Man. Who knew?
it seems like whenever I stop, I get a fucking day like today. So, Lady Luck's not on my side there. Pretty big prop. Pretty big. Left.
Pretty big prop. The biggest, the largest.
The biggest, the largest.
For me, it's probably a 150K select. Flex for daily. No, probably daily, assuming that I want to get the product sooner. Any reason? Yeah, so a lot of people, this is one thing. We don't have micros for silver. Honestly, we don't really even want people trading silver. It's not making good habits, like at all. Unless you're like a vet, you know,
So yeah, man, this is the. I feel like this might be like the retracement time. We got 34 minutes on the hourly, so we could do something. 4 minutes on the 30th, which I really use. I really use the 30. I use the 1, 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour usually. Like it's like especially like when I'm about to get in the trade. Really 1 hour when I'm about to get in the trade. 4 hours more like long term. Like I said, getting kind of like a basis on like what the whole market is doing. I use the 4 hour. I like the 4 hour. 1 hour is more like, okay, are we below the VWAP? If we're below the hourly VWAP, I'm looking for like sales and shit like that. Same with 15. If we're below the 15 VWAP. Don't got the VWAP on these 2 charts, just EMAs. Nice though. I'm perfecting my setup. I used to have a lot of shit going on. Now I got one line. Like most people usually when they start. So I guess the first area that we're looking at 9/5, 9/17 is like this low, this high low right here. Like this high and this low meeting. 920 area. 920, that's about 100 points, 100 and some points. 140, something like that. So this is, I think this is finishing off that 30-minute candle here. Got 2 minutes left on that. I feel like that's probably finishing off that candle. I don't know. Maybe I'm a little early or late, maybe. Damn. What a fucking candle it turned a 15-minute into. Just like minuscule it. What's the 5-minute look like now? Yo. Gave that back fast. 813, 720, 100-point mover. A 100-point mover almost coming up here. It looks like we cannot get no pull. The pulls are non-existent. That shit crazy. I'm mad I missed this though. Kinda. Kinda, not really, really. Like I said, you can't catch them all. No, but I really thought we was probably gonna do something with this. I'm not gonna lie. We might. We not out the low yet. Wait a second. Could still be consolidating here. We're not out the clear yet. We're almost there though. 720. Oh, we're getting there. That's for damn sure. Them boys is fucking stupid. Bruh, y'all got this dude right here is a comedy. Oh yeah, it's gone. We're going off that chat.
G-money now.
He's talking about he the first person in the family with a G-Wagon. Right, he been doing his motherfucking thing, boy. So yeah, chat. I mean, yeah, I mean, this is where we at with it. Finished off that 30. They didn't want to get that 30 candle no wick. And now we're gone. I feel. Whoa, we didn't break through right there. That was a little crazy. We're not getting it. They're not letting it go. Brother, they're not letting this go up a smidge. They are not letting this shit go up a smidget. A smidge midget. A smidget. Damn. Every time I look at this hourly, I'm like, damn. I don't know why I keep flipping back to this shit. She ain't rag. It's nothing. It's nothing going on over here. There's nothing going on nowhere. I mean, honestly though, can't be mad. To be honest, not mad, but like, damn. Some nice some, I mean, not even really. I mean, nice is a kind of, I mean, but you know, some trend, I guess. Some trend. It has been trending down for the last hour. So it has been trending. It's just the way you gotta trade it is a little wonky. That would have been 823, 722, 100 point bang bang. Yeah. Damn, damn, damn. Uh, like I said, like where are we even going, bro? Oh my God, yeah, I think we're doing that thing I was saying, bro. What if though? Yo, what if though? That's why we can't go up. We got a lot of work to do, bro. Like, what if? Like, they got to get this daily down, like 371. Chat now. 371 would be nuts. I don't even know if we can do that today. What's the daily looking like? Because you know that jump be getting froze up. We already down 2%. They're already down 2%. Like, what's the most you could be down for real? Oh, shit. That was 4%. Shit. So we got time. We got some space. This one was 3%. This one was 4%. Shit. So you telling me we can go is what you telling me. We're like halfway through like the most recent one I can find. Like I bet I get way worse than that. But yeah, um, like what would be nice if we come up to like 8? That's not happening. That's not happening. That's not happening. Let's go look around NVDA.
So, should be launching in the next 2-3 weeks. So, this man started it out. Slept on, but let the big boys work here. But yeah, excited to see that space grow. And yeah, moving into more assets to trade. Still need to know the law.
NVDA.
No, I think I was slightly close.
I don't know. Like I don't know. I feel like the hourly got some up his sleeve though. Like the hourly usually has something for you at like 9:40. I mean 10:40 to like 11.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that's what we're doing right now. At Trading Card, we're trying to go wider rather than like hone in on who's already trading. We want to get more people into trading for the space. That's what like the CMU wants. That's what everyone wants. Right? Just want more people to invest in trading. But we need to make sure that they have something that's good for beginners. So this type of plan, I think, will be great. It's a starter plan. Yes.
Ay.
We'll see if it comes out. But yeah, so looking forward to it. Yeah, he's a quick little check for you guys for sure. But yeah, excited to launch that and yeah, just looking forward to the space growing over the next year. So it'll be a great year for Prop.
Well, if you're watching right now, make sure you stay tuned because D-Money is coming up live next. We got Ocala. He's hanging out with us here today. We're going to do some more trading live. We'll talk more about Ocala's kind of overall thought process when he's looking at how to trade and get those big bumper payouts. And again, big thank you to Brett Simba. I know he's a very, very busy man. He's launching prosper things for the world. He's buying speeds out all the top games. This guy, he's just out there doing it.
Right now.
How's that the fucking Dolphins game? The guy's got like 7 different speeds and seats and people. They got teams there.
I gotta go.
Damn, chat. I mean, we just keep falling. We just keep falling.
Yeah, you can see me. You'll be in the box, sir. You'll be in the box, sir. Hey, you traded the box today. Hey, you'll be in the box. Questions. So many questions, so little time. We got D-Money coming up here. You ready, D-Money? He ain't ready. He's coming up. Oh, man.
Bro. Damn. Like, I mean, why? Hindsight just looks so much just like, what a free flow. What a free fall from 930, you know? Like, just what a flowy chart it looks like from 930. Like just flowy. Like, no real top wicks. Like, this shit about flowing like a goddamn stream. Look at this. This is like the only major wick you got. Then you got the fake wick. The fake out wick. But other than them two fake, but besides this was pretty much like a goddamn take profit candle. This too. This wick was like a take profit motherfucker. Take profit right there. He broke them lows. Take profit right there. And then shit, what's this one? The fake. The fake and the break. Damn, we're gone. Imagine that. We started at 26.1 today. We're flying down. We're flying down, chat. Ooh. I'm been too loud. Kids sleeping some more shit. Let me chill. Let me chill. So yeah, man, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, what else we gotta do today? Like, we're making new lows so easy. So easy here.
Good morning.
Hold on, chat. I'll be back.
Point with Jerome, guys. You gotta love it.
I'll be back in like
So,
5.
Romy Rome, guys, he's making it clear that we're family, but there's a lot of hate there. So, and just to keep it real, chat, the fight was I actually gave Jerome a black eye, guys. It wasn't the other way around. I'm just clearing the air. So I know somebody's gonna bring that up. So I want to make sure that you understand that D-Money's fight game is strong, Chad. It's strong. I love you. Nevertheless, we back like we never left, Chad. Got some pretty good volatility here. Let's go.
It's Thursday. Jose said I look strong. Oh man. So you're getting a crazy sell-off here. 1 hour chart is looking cray with little ray to the downside, guys. If you are a 5-minute ORB trader, opening range break trader, I mean, I don't see how you didn't make money today, right? I mean, it was pretty straightforward. You had the opening range high of 26,175. Opening range low, first 5-minute candle, 26,083.50. And you had a sell-off to the downside, guys. I mean, it's great. Let's go. We wanted volatility, we got it. And we're still selling off, chat. So yeah, so these are the nice trend days, guys, that start to kind of form here. Now these are the days that we love. If you're a momentum trader and you're trying to stay with the trend, you're looking for these rejections off the EMAs, guys, basically, right? You're looking for a drop to the downside, small retracement, continuation to the downside, range, right? Kind of get back to the EMA, and then you're getting more selling pressure. So how low can we go? That's the question. I am keeping an eye out on the 4-hour chart, guys. So you have some lows sitting down here at 25,365.25. So if you notice this bullish pin bar, that could be a reactionary point as well on a higher time frame. But there's a lot of selling pressure, guys. A lot of selling pressure in the market right now. You gotta love it. So yeah, if you missed it, guys, sounds like Jerome was here again. I'm not sure how he keeps getting past the security guard, guys. The security guard. So we gotta do something about this. I'm gonna talk to PW chat. So I don't know how. Somehow he's out there eating Krispy Kreme donuts, guys, and Jerome gave him the stiff arm, bust inside the BDH again. Gene, thanks D Money, just had my first $20,000 month. Let's go. I love you. Oh man. Yeah, I just did the update. It's not gonna change anything though on the EMAs. Somebody said they're going long now. What do you think? I think that we're in a bearish market. I don't see. So the problem now, guys, after a huge sell-off like this, it's hard to. You could try to scout reactionary levels, right? So if you look at the 4-hour chart, like I said, I see the nice bottom wick over here to the left. That could be an area of interest, but right now, every push back to the upside, guys, is getting bought right back down. And you notice how you had a bearish engulfing candle here, right off the EMAs. So yeah, I mean it's hard to say that this is going to be a reversal point, guys. Like I'm not saying that, right? I'm not going to be the guy that says that. So you almost want some kind of push back up and then a reaction, right? So you want like a push back up, maybe form some kind of a bigger top wick, larger top wick, guys, and we get more selling pressure to the downside.
Oh my gosh, we're still selling.
You guys. Not yet, anyway. I mean, I would look at this is your daily chart, and I do see, like I said,
wow,
25,365. Keep in mind it also
wow.
The 50
wow, we're still selling, chat.
Sitting at 25,540. So that could be a reactionary point. But we're super bearish, guys, right? We're super.
Shout out D Money,
we,
man.
we were able to put in a high. We're coming down to do a strong retracement. We still have tomorrow as well. So just gotta be.
Still got tomorrow as well, chat. Still got next week. Still got next week. Still got next month, next year, next decade.
Contract. Yeah, you have. I mean, that's a preference thing, to be honest.
Wake up every day.
Is a preference thing that you have to.
Like this shit though. Dude, this shit do be annoying, but bro.
What I'll say is, I looked at size.
What else I'm gonna do?
I looked at size up if there's an A+ setup based on how I trade, right? But I can only go on, based on how I trade, guys.
Yeah.
That makes any sense, right? Like, I don't want to steer you wrong and tell you, oh yeah, you should be trading every time you see a bearish EMA cross, you need to go full port, right? That's not gonna do you any good. So I'm not gonna lie to you. Jerome in the house, D Money in the building. We just trying to make a little money. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I mean, you had a nice. We've been begging for this volatility all week, chat. Right? We've been getting all the moves overnight.
True.
And
begging
right
for that
now,
shit. That shit
I mean,
come.
you
They ain't
gotta
even
do
ready
this
for
when
it.
the market open.
I think that's how
To
it
the
be.
downside,
What they say?
I mean, you're down over 500 points,
Somebody
guys.
said that.
Right?
Huh?
573 points based
Give them the
on-
ball. They don't even know how to shoot. Damn. Who said that? Who said that? I want to say.
So you want like a bigger push up, to be honest, short again. So if you haven't called a trade,
Damn. Who the? I low key want to say Meek Mill, but hold on. I think it was him.
Flush absolutely is selling off now.
Yeah.
Pop guys is getting basically bought right back down. And keep in mind, I mean, we'll see how this 1 hour candle closes, chat, because we got a little bit over 10 minutes left on the 1 hour candle. So we'll see how that candle closes out, and then we'll try to frame another position.
I can't fathom.
Missed the first hour. Sad I waited for this all week, as you said. Yeah, I know. Sometimes it's like that, right? Sometimes your timing is just off. Maybe you have some.
Damn.
And then you come to the chart and you see that.
Yo. Oh yeah. Like this is what I'm talking about, right?
Candle close out. Maybe we'll get some kind of retracement, and then we'll get the next setup. Right? Not gonna force it.
Yeah, you might as well at this point.
Want to get short to get an entry? Yeah, I mean, what I would be looking for, guys, on a 5-minute chart is I will want like some kind of retracement back to at least the 14 EMA. So we're looking at like, and remember, right now that's far away, right? 25,746. But you got the open of a new 1 hour candle that's gonna form, chat. I want to wait for that candle to form. Maybe it pushes up, form some kind of top wick, and then
Maybe. Maybe not. Nah, this 4 hour dangerous.
that's the play, chat.
4% in a 4 hour candle. Nah, we ain't got nothing like that.
Yeah, I know.
That shit nasty.
How you guys feeling out there, chat?
That was during the market too.
I mean, you had,
4%.
I hate to say it, but it sounds like you had Romy Rome. Man.
Bro, this shit is flying. I was trying to see.
Day number 4 of the mentorship chat. Right? The views are looking crazy for the mentorship for the week. So how you guys feeling out there?
Bro, what's going on? Yo, something happened. Yo, hold on. I gotta. Yo, cause I know over there they're wilding. Days like this, they be wilding. Let me go to other people I like to watch when I'm trading. Oh, he's talking. Is he talking right now? Is this real? Nah, this can't be real. This is real. Oh, Fed Powell is speaking.
future
Wait.
meetings. But
We got 7 minutes on the hourly. We gonna wait.
stable and inflation remains somewhat elevated. So we'll be looking to our goal variables and letting the data light the way for us.
He the one got this shit dropping the Schmitties. I'm like, yo, something gotta be going on. This shit not moving up at all.
He described the current policy rate being at the higher end of neutral. If you look at the longer run, the S&P in the longer run rate, 16 of 19 officials are actually below there on their long run. Is the Fed still in a process of bringing it down towards a middle range of neutral? And what would it take to get there?
So the count I did was that 4 of the 19 were at or above that. I mean, maybe I missed by one, and I thought it was 4. And if you look at the dealer survey, it was 10 out of 58, and where we're at or above. So you're right. It's the higher end of the range. What we say is it's within the range of plausible estimates. This is the higher end of that range, but so for some people they think it's neutral. I think, and many of my colleagues think, it's hard to look at the incoming data and say that policy is significantly restrictive at this time. It may be.
Bruh, he got this bitch. So every time he say a word that's big, that bitch drop. I ain't even lying.
With any precision. So,
I get what you're saying, but some officials
No way.
describe the Fed being in a mode of bringing it down eventually over time. Are you still in that mode, or is this a place to hang out?
Yeah, no, I would say if you look at the SEP from December, most people had additional normalization, but at the same time, we've done a lot of the process of normalizing. A good piece of it is done with 75 basis points, and before that, 100. It's 175 basis points we've cut since we began cutting in September of 2024.
Okay.
And you've moved now to.
We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes on the hourly. 5 minutes on the hourly.
3.65%.
It's dropping. Don't worry.
We moved a good way, and we think we're well positioned here to watch how the economy performs, look at the data. We're not making decisions about future meetings, but we do think we're well positioned after those 3 cuts to let the data speak to us.
Amira. Thank you, Chair Powell. Amira Moakley from Bloomberg News. To what extent did the committee discuss the possibility of cutting at this meeting or in March? And how are you all thinking about the conditions that would merit another rate cut? Is there broad agreement on the committee about what it would take?
So there was broad support on the committee for holding today. Broad, I would say.
Wait, is this right now?
So that's where
Like, what is this? What's that called? What's that called? What is it called? Is that because it say live, but
Build a website you love,
they got me watching some old shit.
where your words
But okay, this is live.
Now only up 5.2%.
See, they're not even in
It's a
shit.
great day for Meta and IBM shareholders. That is for sure. Oppo day. I said Nvidia was going to be a blast long because, we thought that, hey, with all this CapEx, and it seems like the story continues in the space, but no, Nvidia down 2%. Broadcom keeps getting slapped, man. AMD is the big one for me, man. $15 in the money on that. Micron down, Intel down, Amazon
Shout
down,
out Trader
Tesla,
TV,
the
dog.
other earnings name down. Caterpillar, where's that?
They
at?
ain't in shit either though. I thought they was gonna be in shit. I thought Sean was gonna be, and they be bang in the money, $5. He be hitting wild shit. They do options.
Holding the bid. So yeah, there's GE Vernova had that. Good
Okay, we're
print.
getting
They're
some.
down 3%. So we can watch almost
Wait.
4% for GE Vernova if you.
Here we go. This is that fit. Hold on, wait.
I'm only surprised
Fuck,
because
where did
like,
that
like,
go?
Caterpillar
That shit gotta
today,
get
I know
turned
that
now.
play as much as it's
Yeah.
like GE Vernova. I would expect it to move somewhat
Yeah.
similar to that. Especially
This is what I was looking for the first time. They had me watching some other
Watching
shit.
like this,
I was trying to see if cause Sean, he be holding shit. He be holding shit for the whole day. For real. He just be taking it on the way down, just take a little private or whatever you do. But nah, he be cracking shit. Okay, what we at with it? Okay, we're getting something. 15-minute got a wick, a little bottom wiki. Where is this at? Is this at a low? Support zone right there.
Need some words of encouragement. Yeah, I think what I would tell you is probably slow down a little bit, take your foot off the gas, right? Nothing wrong.
It's
with,
just so crazy where like when we choose this,
wrong,
not necessarily saying we
right?
stopped yet, but we
there's
did
ups
get a
and downs
nice
there.
little. This is the first time that we
Right?
got
We're
a
gonna lose some accounts
rejection
slowly,
on the
but
bottom
that-
side.
if we think this is the wrong
Since in a minute. So, and it's crazy that we just picked this one. Like, okay, we're gonna stop here, and then we get a wick. Morning, baby. What's up? You okay?
because we're all human. We're not robots. If we were able to get rid of the human emotion part and we traded like robots, guys, we would probably our win rate would probably skyrocket. But we're all human. If you lost one today, don't counter trade and manage your risk. Yeah, I agree.
So yeah, what I'm saying. I mean, I guess we got this candle before on the 5-minute. Yeah, because I guess we was up there, but that was like a different one. Like that was like a top wick. This is like a bottom wick. It's set up differently. Even though it's struggling to hold it. It's struggling to hold that wick, I tell you that much.
But it has to be worth it, guys, to allow accounts through the prop firms, and that's what PW is kind of saying today. It has to be worth it, right? Like, what's the point? Like, you're still gonna have restrictions, right? There's no motivation. So, but it sounds like you heard Simba today, guys. Some of that landscape is starting to change, so that's encouraging. As we wait for the 1 hour candle to close, we got about 20 seconds left. So let's see what happens on the next candle, guys.
He said 20 seconds. He might be delayed a little bit. We got fucking 1 second.
Another great thing about this screen, when you sit in your hands, it tells you to relax too. Yeah.
Okay, so we're inside. So we're finally inside one to start. Usually we break out immediately. So let's see. What are we doing here? What do we do? What do we do?
Does it push up and form some kind of top wick?
What do we do here? Like, we're still not getting up, though.
Who knows, guys? I mean, there's a lot of selling pressure.
It's a lot of selling pressure. Like,
I would probably be apt to say that there's
a lot.
top here.
705. What does 705 get us? 705. Nothing. 705 helps us nowhere. 716 right there. I don't know. I'm trying to find a zone. We're not going up to the VWAP. I mean, if we go up to the VWAP, that'd be crazy. But yeah, like we can't go up. We can't go up.
And the thought process on this, guys, is that we're just going to push up and form a top wick, right? Doesn't mean that the trend won't continue down. I just feel like we might be pushing up here to form up a top wick and then it's lower. But we got to wait and see. And you can kind of see, right, the EMA guys is all the way at 25,702. But it's super bearish, guys, right now. We're having a hard time.
Bro, we can't get Nathaniel. We can't get Nathaniel.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that. I like that wick.
We'll see how this 5-minute candle kind of forms, chat, and then I will go from there. Right. See see if it's able to put in a higher low and then push up, or we're gonna see a sell off here. So keep in mind the low of the previous 1 hour candle is 25,536. So if you're looking for some kind of like temporary bounce, 536 is the low. And we kind of push up, right? So we'll see. Bum that 620 didn't get hit for the short. Yeah.
Small little like, where we at?
Yeah, but you gotta so and yeah, I mean you're technically in this
57.
trading. I mean you're right, you're not wrong. Right? Right now there's a lot of selling pressure to the downside, guys. A lot of momentum, right? A lot of momentum, a lot of selling pressure. Daily candle, but I also know myself, guys, that we're right at the 50 EMA, and a lot of times that's a reversal point.
Right.
So
Order filled.
but what I will say is it comes a point as well.
FOMO that one.
Like, hey,
And maybe I had my stop in the wrong spot too. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like where my stop is at.
right? Maybe there's a
That's on moi. And like I said, I think I had my stop in the wrong spot.
So I like to wait for the
Order filled.
at least the first 5-minute candle to close.
Let's see.
On the 1 hour candle to see how it shapes up, guys. And right now, yeah, still more selling pressure. There's Discord or who's it? Sure. Yeah, I think there is actually. Yeah.
Do we? Oh, 74.
So like this candle pushes up, guys, and that's like some kind of like double bottom almost, right? On a 5-minute chart, so I'm watching here. See what happens.
Me too. Me too. Me too.
Were you always this calm? No. I don't even have to read the whole thing. I'll tell you right now. Nah, man. I was a gunslinger, guys, and lost a ton of accounts that way. And full transparency, guys. So I had to learn how to sit on my hands a little bit because right now, the market, right? I mean, you've had a huge sell-off. Maybe you're frustrated because you missed some of it. Maybe you came to the market late, guys. Right? I mean, it happens. Like we all got stuff going on outside of trading, but it can be frustrating because you're like, man, you know, I've been waiting for this all week, right? Like that's the line. I've been waiting for this all week, and you know, I'm gonna get it now. Okay, well, maybe not.
Order filled.
So I'm just and you see how right now it's just kind of stalling, guys. I mean, it's lower highs again.
41. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah. You chill. I'm gonna chill. We're getting it's just getting slow down here. I mean, but we are moving though. That's the it's-
All right, more selling pressure.
it's just slow now. It's slow now. It's definitely, but I don't know, man. Like I said, at first, at the start, it don't look how it look at the end.
This candle has a minute 30 seconds, guys.
So
See how it frames out.
got a double bottom there. Ouch.
We got a lot of pros, guys, right? So daily payouts.
Let's see what happens here. We haven't though. That's the thing.
Consistency, once you get there, well, is removed, right? But this candle's kind of hanging out. They're not picking the direction, guys, and we're kind of stalling out a little bit. So
Yeah. Now they're gonna give you the shit candle.
kind of hang out here, guys. I would have to say there's probably a pop to the upside coming, right? Maybe a rejection though, but a pop. We're not dropping, guys, after like an almost 600-point drop. We're hesitating and slowing down. That's kind of telling you that
Right, what I'm saying is definitely slow it down. Has not gave not nan resistance.
And maybe we get a pop up here above these highs. Like, is this a double bottom or is this a flush, guys, right?
Right. Interesting.
Trying a quick long, guys. Let's see if I can pop through the highs up here.
You doing a long? Fuck that. I can't do no long. Go ahead, brother.
All right, here you go. There's over 15 points, right? Real quick, right? Over 15 points, chat. Let's go, baby. That's 20 points. And 25, guys. I'll take it off right at 25. Let's go, baby. I love you.
I love you. He like the 25-point little jump.
Drop a W if you took that trade, guys.
Hell no.
And it's still pumping higher, guys. You gotta love it. Come on, man. Yep. About 50 points in 20 seconds. Nice trade, guys. Right? Nice trade. And it's still pumping. Chad.
Okay, so we got a little double BZ on the 15-minute here. Nice little double bottom there.
What did I see, guys? I saw a double bottom on a 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
You can kind of
So first point of resistance that we're going to be looking at is 675 area. I really want to see what we do there.
Sell-off chat, and you see a double bottom form. That to me is a signal to get long, chat. Right? I think there's a high probability that we pop to the upside. So nice trade. Let's go. We're out here trying to make a little money. And look at that expansion, guys. Oh man, so yeah, right at 25 points on that trade, guys. So we'll wait now. See how look at the expansion back up, chat, after that double bottom. Gotta love it, man.
So yeah, man, just waiting and watching, man. Being patient so far, up 489 on the day. Nice little day. So just waiting and watching here. I got my charts up. We are moving up here now. Interesting move up. We engulfed this last candle. That's the first time we ever got anything similar to this all day. So this closes in about 25 seconds. Let's see. We're at 61, 63. Let's see what's going on.
Here, you got Simple here, guys. Tradeify. Do some solid. We gotta get over 2,000 likes this week, guys. So do me a solid.
Damn. See how this reacts here. If this like doesn't react nothing crazy, then we probably just gonna be done, to be honest.
You know what's funny, guys?
680.
It's like you get somebody out there, right? They're like, oh man, money's trying to find the bottom. I'm not trying to find the bottom, chat. My job is to trade the probabilities on the chart. And if you've had, so if you kind of, we go here to the chart. Let's go here from the top, guys. 26,175, and you come down right to the low that was put in, guys. We've had almost 640 points sell-off, guys. Now that doesn't mean we can't head lower. I'm not saying we can't head lower, guys, but you need energy to head lower, right? So typically that involves a drop to the downside, and I also saw, like, look at all these green candles, or sorry, bearish candles, guys, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. So that's a lot of selling pressure, guys, back to back to back. Once I saw the double bottom, that signal along for me, chat. Now, we might reject from the 14 EMA, but not be surprised, right? If we're going to continue down, guys, and you're bearish, you want to see a push back to the downside, back below these lows. But, yeah, you got to, I try to trade in probabilities. What's the I guess the highest chance of happening, right? Highest probability. And after 600 plus point sell-off, and I see a double bottom, guys, I'll take that long all day. And my stop will just be back below the low of the previous candle. So if you got in down here at like 554, your stop could have been at 558. So that's great risk reward, guys. And you're targeting 14 EMA, right? 25,679. And you see how we're getting a bit of a sell-off here. We're getting some struggle resistance, so this could be a level of interest.
That shit does not work. Not for me.
Jeremy held the trade to the EMA, made $800. Let's go.
That shit does not be working. That shit works. It's kind of one of those things like if you make money on it, it's not good. Cause that's, I guess, bro. Everybody has their own shit. That shit most definitely don't work for me. I've definitely tried to be a trend reversal trader, I guess you could say.
trade micros? Yeah, it just depends. I mean, right? Depends on what's going on. But I mean, I am gonna look at holding some of these trades longer, guys. It just depends on the setup. Obviously, the market is super bearish. It's all 25 points to get off the table, right? So, but I think that's a solid trade, guys. I mean, could I have held longer? Absolutely. If I had more size, or if I traded micros, yeah, I could have actually took partials. So it's early, guys. It's January. Still working on it. So I am excited to see where I'll be by the end of the year, guys.
Same. Same ski.
All right, so yeah. Okay. Oh, I had a short. I had a short at 26,170 and 26,150. Big W. Yeah. Nice. But yeah, you got a V-shaped recovery that's starting to form, guys, on the 5-minute chart. And took the long on the double bottom on the 5-minute chart, guys. You can see that's a textbook setup. If you notice where my 2 arrows are on the chart at the bottom right, you got a nice double bottom, and then you got a huge expansion to the upside, almost 90 points back to the 14 EMA. So if you're a bull right now, chat, you want to see price rapidly expand above that 14 EMA. So you want to see price above 25,681, guys. Right? If we cannot get a candle closure on the 5-minute chart above 25,681, then that's not great short term for bulls.
Not at all.
If we bust through the 14 EMA with momentum, guys.
See, we definitely have the same trading kind of shit. Cause he be seeing the same, he be thinking the same. Like we be on the same shit for sure. Like, yeah, that I'm most definitely not trading against that hoe. Trust me, I've traded against that hoe many and many a times. And it don't work. It ain't worth it. I don't think it's worth it. Me personally, I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. I ain't gonna lie.
So this would be a level of interest if we can get going, chat. So, all right, previous 5-minute candle just closed, and it closed at 25,681.75, guys. So, yeah, this could be a nice V-shaped recovery starting to form here on the 5-minute chart. So look at the expansion to the upside.
All I know is it don't be worth it. Like it may work, but a lot of times it don't. Like it don't work too many times for me. I ain't gonna lie. Like it don't work too many times. You see, I can't already hold my shit.
And that could be expected after a 600+ point sell-off to the downside. Just took that for a $600 W. Nice. I love you. Yeah. You got a big shot. You saw that? Double bottom? Textbook, yeah. 5-minute chart. Back up. Yep. That's awesome.
Okay.
So somebody, I forgot that username, guys, but he was saying that if the trend's down, then you're only looking for shorts. Well, after 600+ points to the downside, guys.
Tiger Shark.
You gotta be.
Have fun in the VIP.
Oh, I didn't even see it.
I'd be coming in just doing wild shit and leaving. 721 is an area I would try to see what's popping off.
We out here trying to make a little money, guys, so do us a solid. We gotta get 2,000 likes. We're at 15.
I mean, honestly, like we gotta get above 826, make like this high, right, and then come back, show like some support on the bottom side, then go. Like you got to do a whole lot of shit.
Brett Silver here, guys. You had Jerome. You had Romy Rome here. You had 3 guests on the screen today. Right? So just caught out a banging trade, guys. So
it's gonna be telling here.
Order filled.
Back to 25,870. Yeah, it could. Yeah, well, I mean, but first it has
I'm trying a new entry.
So that would be, it has to get past this resistance up here on the 5-minute chart, right? That I got pointed out, guys. So the high of that candle is 25,825. So it has to get past that high.
I'm short, but we giving this candle back.
I mean, I would say if it passes that resistance, guys, 25,904 would have to be in play for me because that's the 50 EMA on the 5-minute chart. So if that momentum continues, yeah, we're gonna head up. So 15-minute chart right now looks pretty good, guys. Right? It looks pretty good. The previous candle body engulfed the previous 15-minute candle's body, so that's telling you that there's people willing to take the price higher. Will it continue? That's the question. 1 hour chart.
See how this candle closes here.
You got a higher low so far. On the right, so compared to the previous candle's low, and you got expansion. Now, could this be the 1 hour chart forming a top wick to push down? Absolutely, right? Because I know somebody's going to say that. They're going to say, well, market overall is bearish. Yeah, you're right.
See how this candle is.
Sell off, guys. Yeah, wait.
90.
Passed my eval yesterday. Appreciate all the knowledge, D-Money. Hey, Ace, congrats. Now the party starts, though, right? Now it gets real for you. So, let's go. Meaning that now you're funded, right? So now you gotta, I would say, be patient. Words of advice: be patient. Don't feel like you gotta rush. Try to trade A quality, A+ setups. I think PW and myself talked about that yesterday, right? We're talking about, okay, you work hard, you got a funded account, and then the first day, price action's choppy, and you still feel like you have to trade your funded account. And then you know what happens the next day? You get really good price action, right? So if you only would have waited, you would have been fine. So the level, that level at lows for the previous last week's low to the upside, I'm getting better at reading the daily chart. Nice. So yeah, more upside, guys. More upside.
Yeah, I got cracked there.
Doji right off the 14 EMA as well. You got expansion to the upside, guys. That's happening right
Could just be early too.
Order filled.
So
yeah, I got cracked there. Damn. I'm trying a new entry with that area. Like I said, I could have just been early.
Possibly up to like 781 or higher if this continues. Yeah, from oh yeah, it's lit. Yeah, Raiders game's lit. Nah, she's not. Yeah.
Damn.
So D-Money this. Oh yeah, she gonna come on married. Arranged marriage. Oh man. No,
Yeah, that's not good.
Ginger's looking to get married, guys, in Costa Rica, apparently. So Ginger's gonna be married when she comes back, chat. You guys missed your opportunity. So Jason, give me what you're getting. Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sick of that guy, man. What was it? Oh, because you forgot?
Order filled.
85. Got to get below 82.
Yeah.
We're getting bounced. That's not good. That's not good.
Oh yeah, that's right. So yeah, just wait, guys. Right now, right? See how this candle closed on the 5-minute chart. It's hanging out right above the 14 EMA. Somebody said, "Deep Money, this call you made with a killer call out." Hey, I appreciate that. All right, look at the sell-off, guys, from the 14 EMA. So remember what I was saying, chat. So on nice trend days, the EMA is going to act as a form of resistance. And could be happening in real time right now, guys. So I said if you're a bull, you want to see price rapidly expand away from the 14 EMA to the upside, right? So if you're a bear, chat, you want to see price respect. You want to see it respect the EMA and drop down. So you notice over here,
Gave it back.
to the EMAs up here, guys, where the moving the cursor.
Gave it back. It could be going up here.
Some pressure to the downside. You want to see that happen again if you're a bear. If you're a bull,
Yeah.
it's the opposite. You want price to rapidly expand away from the EMA. And if
Damn,
that happens,
it got me.
guys, we're gonna probably get up to 800 level. Yesterday was insane live. Yeah. It looks like Will Smith. Hey, I appreciate that. I gotta channel some of that when I'm talking to the ladies, you know.
Okay.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got popped there, chat. Honestly, just getting toe up here at the Wicks.
He's saying which Will Smith, guys. So there's a scene in Hitch where Will Smith is allergic to seafood, guys, and his face swells up. And right, he has an allergic reaction to the seafood. He's trying to impress the girl, right? She takes him to a seafood spot, and his face it swells up, guys. So which Will Smith are you referring to? Because the editor is saying that's what I look like, Jack.
Yeah, I mean,
You gotta love the editor, man. This guy, I thought we were cool. I thought we were friends, Jack.
I gotta figure something out with that.
Can't catch a break, guys. First you got Jerome trying to take my job, and you got PW. Told me I wasn't streaming today, guys. So I was crying in the G-Wagon. And he knocked on the window, told me to come in. So I came in. I'm Bishop. I love you. You are a legend, so I am legend. Oh yeah, that's a good movie. Well, so yeah, we're just waiting, chat. Right now we're kind of hanging out. Right at the 14 EMA. You gotta love it.
Order filled.
I don't know, man. I don't know why I feel we're gonna use this area, bro. I don't know.
We put in the lows, guys. We break 657. Look out, you could be headed back to the lows on the day. So, in my opinion, this is the make or break area.
It is. That's what I'm saying. It's definitely make or break.
I need to go to the bathroom, but it seems like it's about to break to the side. Sam? Well, Sam, all we request is that you wash your hands or use some sanitizer. Gotta love it. Oh, man. How do you know when the bulls step in? So you want to see like bullish engulfing candles? See how right now, guys? All right, the last last two candles, in my opinion, guys, those are indecision, right? That's why I'm saying there's a battle right now. Look at the last 2 5-minute candles chart, chat. See how you got long wicks at the top and the bottom. You got small bodies. That's telling you that there's indecision going on right now. So I need to be patient here. So 15-minute chart still looks pretty good, guys. The 5-minute chart looks like it wants to break these highs. So you get above 713, I think 800 level could be coming pretty quick. So just watching here. Got about a minute, 30 seconds left on the current 5-minute candle. Gotta be patient. See where we're at, chat. All right, we're at 1,600 likes, guys. 1,600, right? When I saw it, we were at 1,200. So do me a solid, guys, if you haven't already, hit the like button. We're trying to keep the streak alive today. We're going all day, guys.
40 seconds left on the 5-minute. Damn.
You know what to do. Still having some trouble here. Indecision going on. 5-minute chart. So almost there, guys. We're at 1,700 likes. So let's see if we can get to 2,000 and keep the streak alive. And we wait. 5-minute candle right now, guys. A lot of indecision. There's a battle going on between the Bulls and the Bears. There is a battle going on right now. You better not get another doji. Yeah, well, guess what? We just got another doji. So, indecision on the 5-minute chart right now, guys. You got 3 dojis in a row. Let's go. So, see what happens, guys, on this candle, right? So there's nothing for me to do right now, guys. We've had 3 indecision candles, and this is the first candle that maybe it has a decent sized body on it. So I'm gonna let this 5-minute candle form. See what happens here. Retest the low, yeah, it could very well. See it pop back up, guys. This is why I wait. See that yoke back the opposite direction, guys? So this is why, so I can guarantee that somebody just got stopped out trying to short that, guys. Because that was a 36 point pop right back up. So I'm waiting I want to see how this candle closes out on the 5-minute chart. There's nothing for me to do right now, Jack. We've had 3 indecision candles in a row, and this could be the 4th. I hate to say it. So let's see what happens. D-Money, you got to risk it for the Rari? Yeah, but I'm not going to risk it with...
Risk it for the Rari, what?
Need to wait, need to be patient. I need a convincing candle, chat. I want to see a bearish engulfing candle. I want to see a nice exhaustion wick on the top of the candle and selling pressure to the downside, as an example, right? If I don't see that, guys, then I'm not risking anything because there's no reason to, right? So we had a nice clear setup for longs down here on the double bottom because that was a clear setup. And notice how after that double bottom form, we had momentum, bullish momentum that stepped into the market, and you had a 100+ point pop to the upside, guys. So you got to be patient here. That's based on how I trade, right? I'm a momentum trader, so I need to see momentum step into the market. If I'm looking at wicks, or if I'm looking at the last 3 5-minute candles, guys, look how small the body on the candles. That for me is not momentum. That means that momentum has kind of died out a little bit. I need to wait for price to pick a direction. or mid-roll. Yeah, basic trading. I agree. So we'll see what happens, chat. Gotta be patient here. It's only 11:38. 15-minute chart trying to make up its mind what it wants to do. 5-minute chart is hanging out right at the 14 EMA, guys. So that's right. We're ranging. We're stuck in a range right now, right at the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart. What do the arrows on the chart represent to you? Yeah, so you can see down here you had a double bottom. That's a double bottom pattern. See how you got a bearish candle, green candle, bearish candle, green candle. So that's a double bottom. That's telling you that that's a support basically area that was formed, and a lot of times that's a reversal pattern. And I was able to take that long on that setup down here. So the arrow up here is just kind of showing you guys that there's a lot of indecision in the market right now. I don't see a setup for me, guys, based on how I trade, right? Because I need to see momentum step in. Now, if you're a trader and you're like, hey, I'm going to get long up here, and I'm going to put my stop below the lows at like 25,651. Okay, I mean, you could do that, but I don't want to do that, right? That's not what I'm looking for. All right, there's the momentum stepping in, chat. So if it pops the high of the previous 5-minute candle, 25,711.75, guys, then it's forming a bullish engulfing candle, right? Which is telling you that the bulls are starting to step back into the market, and we could be targeting 794, chat. And we literally just popped the high, right? We just popped that high, guys. All right, push down, form some kind of bottom wick, and you want to see expansion to the upside, guys, right? And pop up above 714. Trying to quick long, guys, on that retracement down and a push up, right? I need us to pop the highs of like 718. Right, saw the bullish again, engulfing candle and took the trade. There's over 10 points. Let's go, baby. All right, there's over 15 points, guys. Right, it was at 15 points. I love you. All right, there's over 15, guys. And let's see. All right, there's that boy good. That boy good. Come on, man. God, that's 20 plus point pop to the upside. I love you. NQ, I love you. Come on, man. Who's out here trying to make a little money? You gotta love it, guys. You gotta love it. Come on, man. Drop the W in the chat if you took that trade.
It's just like, of course, right?
We're gonna break it down in the second chat. We'll let the W's subside, and we'll get into the trade breakdown. Come on, man. All right, so love it, guys. You gotta love it, right? So, and you might get more of a popular chat, but Lamb, $2 tip. I love you. Hey, I appreciate it. So, W for 6 points. Nah, that was over 6. Yeah, that was plus 20 points, guys. So maybe you closed it at 6. But all right, so that's 2 trade callouts, guys. Right? So let's break down this trade, what I saw in the market, and we talked about it, chat. We talked about it, right? So I said I was waiting for momentum to step in, right? And what did we see after having these three indecision candles, right? I saw a bullish engulfing candle, chat, and that for me is a signal to get long. And I waited for price to open up on the next 5-minute candle, push down, form a bottom wick, and expand higher, guys. Right? Basic trading. I love you. So if you notice, from the high, guys, right off the EMA, that was a 43-point pop to the upside if you took the whole entire setup. So this account, we rolling, guys. This account's up $1,145. He's out here trying to make a little money. Right? Trading one contract. You gotta love it.
Damn, man. Wow.
Do you market in the most trades? Yes. Yes.
Wow.
I mean, right? When you got a bullish open candle off the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart, I think we're talking about this is mentorship week, chat, and I think those two setups that I've taken, both longs, I think I've done a pretty good job of kind of framing why I'm taking the trade and being patient, wait for something to write a good pattern that I look for to take the trade, right? So I think those are pretty good examples. So if you miss the setup, or if you're wondering why I took the long, you can always go back to bookmark it and go back. So my wife wants to learn your trading style anyway. You would explain it fully with the YouTube video. Yeah, there's videos up on the stream or on the channel already, Mr. B1G. Appreciate the $5 tip. There's going to be more content coming as well, and eventually there's going to be a course coming out. My only speculation to or stipulation to PW was Jerome's not in the course. Gotta love it. Chicken trader, where would you enter next, D? Well, so I mean, when you look at the 5-minute chart, guys, could we continue to expand higher? Yes. Keep in mind, I already have a price area kind of pointed out on the chart, right? So this area, 26,830 is a level of interest if we're gonna expand higher, chat. But I mean, you gotta play this. You can play this one of two ways, guys. You can take scalps on the way up, and be content with that because trend, and that's basically what I'm doing, guys. I'm just trying to catch the momentum.
Order filled.
But it would be the same thought process, right? You want the next.
All right, chat. Well.
Doing the same thing, chat. It opens up. Trying to expand higher to put in new highs. So that was basically like an entry, right? And if you're getting in on these little retracements, guys, stop for me has to be back below the.
I should have just got off.
So in this case, if you got in at 25,700, the stop would have to be back below the 14 and the previous candle low. So 25,688.
That was so bad.
Apple earnings is released, I believe, at 4 o'clock. Let me double check that real quick. Do 4:30. So Apple, 4:30 Eastern Standard Time today, guys. You got Apple earnings. Let's go. More expansion to the upside. You can see that, guys.
Damn, that was crazy.
Keep in mind, chat, what started to kind of tell me, like I said, right, bulls are stepping back in, waiting for the bullish engulfing candle, guys. Notice how this bullish candle, where the arrow is, the body, the entire body engulfed the previous candle's body, right? So that's a bullish engulfing candle, and we're headed to the upside. Is that 100% certain it's going to work every time? No, absolutely not. A lot of times you get fake outs, guys, but
All right, chat, man. See y'all boys tomorrow, man. Just lost my last one right there. I tried to hold this area here. 720 area. I just didn't get it. So I see y'all boys tomorrow, man. Closed out green on the day, but gave back a lot of profit, so it was it's good. See y'all boys tomorrow. Yep. What's up, man?